Please! Okay, what do you want from me? What the hell? Oh God, no! No! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! It's a bad dream.
Are you username LadiesMan217?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you username LadiesMan217?
Yeah?
Where is the eBay item 21153? Where are the bosses? Username LadiesMan217. Username LadiesMan217.
Get back!
What is your problem, Sam?
Okay, there's a monster right there just attacked me. Here he comes! Alright, get up front. You have to run!
Sam, what is that thing?
You have to get in the car. Get in the car. Trust me. Trust me!
Sam!
Get in! Go! We're locked in. The car won't start. At least we did some monster, right?
LadiesMan217.
Okay. I'm starting.
Username LadiesMan217.